Hi guys, so it's February now and this is the perfect time to sow your sweet peas. You could have sown your sweet peas in December as well, just after Christmas, and you then might be able to get them flowering sooner. But to be perfectly honest, I never had a really good crop from those ones sown in December. So that's why I rather wait until mid-February, kind of March, even beginning of March. And I rather sow them later. And if I have later flowers, that's fine, because I also have a lot of self-sown seeds around the garden, so I don't mind that. Let's just have a look how to do that. So I'm planting these sweet peas into root trainers, which have shown the best results for growing sweet peas because they grow quite long taproot. So they grow the roots down these little ridges on the side, and they shown the best results out of normal planting in a small pot or out in the ground. And I'm just planting my own sweet pea seeds from 2 years ago, and it's just a mixture of pink and white colors. You can find the root trainers anywhere online, on Amazon or in any garden shop or nursery. So it's very easy. As you can see, I just put soil into the little pots, put seed in each pot, and now all you have to do is just put a bit of soil on top. You can either sprinkle a bit of soil on top or just cover the seed with what you have in there. And now that is done, we'll just have to water it a little bit, and you keep those inside up until they start shooting. We can start putting them out just when it's a little bit warmer and they're a bit more sturdier, very slowly up until we kind of introduce them being out fully. Hope you liked it. Please follow and like for more videos about garden and garden design.